Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is just a quick little project share. I actually hauled these little glass beads or charms a while ago from AliExpress. They're the clear balls with the little gold lids. And then I also have like a really tiny size, but I think I used all the tiny ones. And they have a flower top. But you guys all know that AliExpress, sells them, and they've got, these are like little styrofoam balls. These ones have like little glass crystals. These ones have sequins, like tiny little sequins. These ones have stars. So you can get these on AliExpress, right? But you can also get the clear empty ones as well. And I finally got around to playing with them. I made these at my crafty meetup. I used Ariel's, like, these are like kind of like almost like dipping those little dots, like the size of that, but they're actually, I think, smaller than that. So they're super cute, and I was finally able to play with those that weren't in like a sequins mix. And you guys, look how cute. You can do your own mix. So you can customize these to whatever collection you're working with. I was trying to do like fun summer ones. This one has pinks. I added some whites. This has some corals with some mints in there. And then look at the little ones I was talking about, you guys. Look at, as a flower top. Reminds me of the movie Trolls. But look at, you can stick tiny little sequins in there. Those are probably 3mm sequins. I have some seed beads in there, so perfect for, using your seed beads. This one has some yellow of those little dot things. This one has like a coral mint. These are so stinking cute. I'm totally ordering more of these the minute I'm done with this video. I'm obsessed. And again, you can customize this to your swap or, gifting them. And these are perfect for embellishment boxes. So you can see, oh my gosh, I absolutely love the way that these turned out. These are just other wire wrap beads that were gifted, and then I made some of those. So yeah, fun way. I'm just sharing that you can make super cute ones in any color by yourself. And then I just hot glued the top. So yeah, that is my quick little project share, and I'll catch you guys on the next crafty video. Bye guys.